Welcome to Propel. It's Martin once again, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to save broadcast clips using Propel's broadcast monitoring tool. Whether you're tracking media coverage on TV or radio, saving key clips for later reference is simple and efficient. Let's get started. First, log into your Propel account and head over to the Monitor tab in the top navigation bar. Now, choose the alert associated with the broadcast clip you want to save. This will take you to the list of all your tracked clips. Scroll through the list and select the broadcast clip you want to edit and save. Next, click on the Editor tab. This is where you'll adjust your clip to focus on the part that matters most. Enter the start and end timestamps for the section of the clip you'd like to save. These timestamps allow you to capture just the right moment. Want to make sure you've captured the correct portion? Click Preview to watch the clip before saving. You can click the Share button to get a link to share the clip with external stakeholders. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click Next and then Finish. The clip will be saved and you'll receive it via email. To access your saved clips, go to Saved Mentions. You'll find all the broadcast clips you've saved here. You can click the Export button to export the details of all saved mentions as either a CSV or PDF file. That's it. You've now successfully saved and shared a broadcast clip using Propel. For more tips and tutorials, check out our other videos or reach out to support. Thanks for watching.